These capabilities provide operators with increased situational awareness and greater standoff distance, two factors that help teams mitigate risk and make informed, effective decisions. The Throwbot XT has several characteristics that make it indispensable to SWAT, narcotics, and counterterrorism teams. It's small and lightweight, immediately deployable, throwable to 36 meters, and extremely quiet. Weighing just 540 grams and measuring less than 20 centimeters wide, the TXT fits easily into a small pack, along with a handheld operator control unit. Moreover, the robot can be deployed in less than 5 seconds by pulling the activation pin and throwing it into any environment. A single joystick on the OCU is used to control the movement of the robot. The TXT can survive repeated lateral throws of up to 36 meters and vertical drops of 9 meters. Once deployed, it moves very quietly, delivering life-saving audio and video reconnaissance without letting the suspects know that it is on the scene. The new Command Monitoring Station 2.0 allows a command post to receive video and audio transmissions from the Throwbot XT from up to 305 meters away. Tactical commanders and negotiators can now see and hear the intelligence gathered by the robot in real time, enabling all personnel to deliver an integrated response to any situation.
Fired somewhere in your city. So what happens now? In the past, there was a slim chance the shooting would be reported to police at all. Even when it was, it took precious time, and there was often confusion regarding the location of the shooting and other pertinent information. At least, that's how things were. ShotSpotter has changed all that. By utilizing advanced technology honed over 2 decades, we have automated the process. We monitor gunfire activity 24/7. So if a gun is fired in any area within ShotSpotter coverage, the system detects, locates, and immediately alerts police of the gunshot. ShotSpotter acoustic analysts receive extensive training on reviewing and classifying gunfire by distinguishing gunshots from other impulsive sounds that are not gunshots. In addition, they are trained to append additional contextual information, such as multiple shooter alerts or full automatic weapons alerts, that can prove to be essential tactical intelligence for law enforcement agencies responding to these crimes. The entire transaction takes place in less than 60 seconds. The ShotSpotter alert system is used in more than 90 cities and is an invaluable tool to help make communities safer by responding to gunshot incidents faster, making it easy to find evidence and reducing risk for police officers.
go to a baton, before you go to a taser, before you go to your firearm. This should be the lowest level of restraint. This is one of the most pain-free level of restraint that is on the market today. This is Marvel meeting reality. Spider-Man has nothing on both.
I'm really intrigued by the product, and it's a lot cheaper than a lawsuit. It's a lot cheaper than sending officers to court. And if we can prevent an officer from having to put their hands on a suspect and prevent somebody from getting hurt, then I'm all for it.
We're working on several variations to the product today, including a virtually silent version of this product, specifically to address the consumer market and also to address the threats that we see in our school systems, as well as working side by side with the U.S. Navy SEALs to put the product on a drone.
So policing has changed over the last few decades. So the challenge that we have now, we need to have the response that's appropriate. So having something that is non-lethal that we can bring to the table to help restrain people, I think is going to be the change of policing in the future.
I think the product is outstanding. This is going to save lives.